Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So the new Amazon tablet is here. The Amazon new Fire HD 8 tablets bring a faster chipset and USB type C. So in this video we're talking about the latest Amazon new Fire HD 8 tablet. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for the latest tech videos. So Amazon just updated its Fire HD 8 tablets and is now offering three variants: a non-pro Amazon HD 8, in HD8 Plus, and in HD8 Kids Edition, which is identical to the HD8 but comes with a special protective case. All three brings faster chipset, more RAM, and USB-C connections. The big change come under the hardware, where Amazon put a new quad-core CPU clock at 2.0 GHz, which it claims will deliver 30% more faster performance than the previous generation tablet. The non-pro Fire HD 8 Amazon tablet will now ship with a 2 gigs of RAM and 32 and 64 gigabytes of storage, which can be expanded via the micro SD card slot. The Amazon Fire HD 8 Plus bumps the RAM to 3 gigabytes of RAM and also add a wireless charging capability, marking a first for the Fire lineup. In addition, Amazon is offering a faster 9-watt power adapter in the box and an optional wireless charging dock. The display, on the other hand, are still 8-inch IPS HD panel, though the bezels are now equal thick on all sides. There is also a dual speaker, 2 megapixel cameras on the front and back side, and Amazon Fire OS on top of the Android. Battery life is rated at 12 hours on a single charge. The Amazon Fire HD 8 will retail for a $90, but there is a 2 for $160 bundle. The HD 8 Plus will go for $110 and come with a 6-month worth of Kindly Unlimited. The HD 8 Kids Edition come with a base price $140 bundle with a year of Amazon free time, parental control, and kids content app. All three are up to pre-order and will be available from June 3. So guys, this is the three latest Amazon latest tablet, Amazon Fire HD 8 tablet. The first one is the Amazon Fire HD 8, the second one is the Amazon Fire HD 8 Plus, and the third one for the kit, the Amazon Fire HD 8 Kit Edition. So let me know in the comment section, are you like this latest tablet from the Amazon, because Amazon did not release a much gadget in the market. So let me know in the comment section. Also like this video and subscribe my channel for latest tech videos, because I make daily tech videos, and make sure to enable that bell icon so you do not miss any of my uploaded video notification. And let me know in the comment section which topic I make most videos: tech, smartphone tips and tricks, or any other. And also subscribe my channel and support me. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.